Hello and welcome to Showcase, a channel that introduces products and services from a range of architectural suppliers direct to you. I'm Michael Linky, and on behalf of the Australian Institute of Architects, it's fantastic to have you join me. Today, we welcome Megan from Laminex to showcase their new product, Surround by Laminex, and she joins me now on the program. Welcome, Megan.
Thanks, Michael. It's great to be here. And thanks to everyone for joining me today. It's been a challenging environment to connect with architects directly lately, and it's wonderful to have a platform like this to share new news with you. Today, I'm rather excited to share with you the latest innovation from Laminex. Introducing Surround by Laminex wall panels, a stylish and yet durable wall lining solution that will add some dimension and warmth to residential or commercial projects. There's a number of contemporary and classic profiles to choose from that are pre-primed, ready to paint in your choice of colour. They're easy to install, and the best part is that they're made here, right here in Australia. For many years, Laminex has been a market leader in everything laminates, with a focus on kitchen joinery and bench tops. But did you know that Laminex is also a proud manufacturer of MDF? Last year, we identified an opportunity to create a new wall lining material from MDF, moving us beyond kitchens into surrounding interior spaces. A quick snapshot of Laminex Australia. We're a house of brands. In fact, we proudly manufacture 97% of our products here in Australia. Our manufacturing plants are spread across the whole country, from Perth in Western Australia to Ballarat in regional Victoria, and from Melbourne in Victoria to Gympie in Queensland. The manufacturing story of Surround by Laminex starts in Gympie in Queensland, where the MDF substrates are manufactured from sustainably sourced materials and are purpose-made for wall linings. Here, we manufacture a 12mm board for our contemporary profiles, which feature a white melamine backer to ensure the rigidity of the panel, and a 9mm board for our classic profiles. Next, the boards are sent to Victoria, where they are routed into different profiles using specialised machinery. The panels are then sanded, primed and prepared, ready for dispatch. They are then distributed across the country and stocked in our distribution centres throughout Australia. The opportunity for this range was quite clear. Current market trends show that the market was looking for an innovative and stylish design solution for walls that is affordable and fast and easy to install. So we developed Surround by Laminex to elevate the market beyond traditional looks and designs, and created a range of contemporary profiles to fit the bill. I'll introduce you to range via the video. It'll be a lot easier.
Introducing Surround by Laminex, a modern range of ready-made wall linings designed for interior surface application, adding texture and dimension to residential and commercial projects. The panels are available in a range of contemporary profiles. Experiment with the timeless look of linear boards or contemporary scalloped and curved styles. Manufactured from moisture-resistant MDF, the decorative side is conveniently pre-primed and ready to paint in your colour of choice. All Surround by Laminex styles are fast and easy to install, impact resistant and ideal for hard-working areas. Our panels are crafted and made in Australia from sustainably sourced timbers in accordance with Australian standards. Surround by Laminex is available in a range of heights and widths and features an easy-to-install tongue and groove system. When specifying the product, be sure to refer to the detailed specification guide. A different way to do walls. Surround by Laminex.
They look great, don't they? I love the design versatility of the range. All panels are designed in harmony, enabling multiple panels and styles to be installed on a single surface. There's the ability to nest two different scales of a profile on top of one another for a lovely graphic effect. For example, the Batten 25 is designed to nest with the Batten 100 so that the vertical channels are aligned perfectly and don't get out of phase. The panels are impact-resistant timber product made for hard-working interior surfaces, and they're available in a Group 3 rated moisture-resistant or a general-purpose MDF, or a Group 2 fire-rated moisture-resistant substrate too. But you can get further information on that and the product details by checking out the Surround by Laminex technical data sheet on the website. The naming convention of the products is pretty simple and easy to follow. The batten profile is a modern take on classic timber panelling, featuring defined battens separated by deep U-shaped channels. 100 refers to the repeat pattern, so the channels are 100 millimetres apart. Batten 25 features defined edges and deeper routing with narrow battens presented in a graphic type formation where the repeat pattern is 25 millimetres apart. Curved designs are having their moment and help soften interior spaces. Demi-round 40 is particularly conducive to half-wall applications when finished with a dado rail, enabling the 12mm deep profile to double as a decorative edge. Demi-round 20 is a subtler variation of the demi-round profile, featuring narrow curving rods. The 20mm repetition of gently rounded edges adds interest and warmth to an interior space without overpowering the wider scheme. Scallop 45 is a stylish and more playful fluted design characterised by wide, softly undulating curves. This profile can be applied across an entire wall or paired in tandem with Scallop 22.5 as a statement surface. At this stage early in launch, this is proving our most popular contemporary profile. Narrow boards in the Scallop 22.5 repeat in a wavy, familiar pattern in this modern profile, highlight the boldness of a curving edges with a contrasting neutral surface, or pair with the Scallop 45 profile for a sophisticated statement. The ever popular linear boards with a V-joint profile, classic tongue and groove panelling offers a timeless backdrop to complement any interior style. Classic VJ100 creates a subtly textured backdrop for a period homes and modern interiors alike. Heritage 150 is an update on traditional timber panelling, featuring wider boards defined by understated curving joints. It's a classic profile which can be used in heritage settings or styled to create a contemporary feel with a nod to tradition. This image is probably a great example of that nesting concept. Here, Scallop 22.5 is used on the banquet seating, with Scallop 45 used on the rear wall for a stylish graphic effect. So Surround by Laminex panels can be installed on timber, frame walls, brick or block walls, and prepared plasterboard using fixing and preparation methods outlined in the fabrication and installation guide. A minimum expansion gap of 10 mils must be left at the wall to floor interface, the wall to ceiling interface, and any panel to fixture interface. The MDF responds to humidity and temperature of the surrounding environment, affecting the moisture content of the product, resulting in panel dimensional changes. For a fast and easy installation, we've also got a tongue and groove system for quite a neat finish. I love the effect, colour and light play on the sculpted surfaces. Surround by Laminex Phase 1 is for dry area applications only, and then here's some great examples of some residential applications. There's a bedroom feature walls, living area feature walls, mudroom walls, and study office feature walls. And the design versatility doesn't stop at the residential applications. It also extends into the commercial spaces. We've got dining area feature walls, banquet seating feature panels, counter front feature panels, lift linings, and feature walls. Surround by Laminex is available in a general purpose MR E0 MDF substrate, which can be identified by the raw core with a clear tongue. It's the image on the top. We also have a Group 2 fire rated MR E1 MDF substrate available, which can be identified by the grey core with a pink tongue. And both substrates are made here, manufactured here right in Australia. Each profile is available in a variety of sheet sizes, from a 900mm, perfect for a half wall application, or a dado rail, or bed heads, to the 3 metre size. We even have the 2.7 and the 3.6 lengths in the case of the classic VJ100. Each panel is fast and easy to install with the tongue and groove system for a neat finish. Makes them easy to click together. There's a collection of resources available to help make installation easy. You can check out the fabrication and installation manual. There's a quick installation guide, and there's multiple DIY videos on laminex.com.au or on YouTube. There's also a collection of resources available to help make specification easy. So there's a design and specification guide, a commercial solutions brochure. There's easy sampling ordering through Surround by Laminex website, and there's also BIM files available for you. Now, sustainable forest management is important to us. Our panels are manufactured from sustainably sourced timbers in accordance with chain and custody for forest product systems. We use water-based primers, and we feature E0MR and E1FR low emission substrates. We're certified by the global program PEFC, which is the program for the endorsement of forest certification, which promotes sustainable forest management through third-party certification, and also by their national governing body of PEFC in Australia, which is Responsible Wood. So I hope you're as excited by the design versatility and potential for this product as we are, and I hope you're inspired to start incorporating Surround by Laminex wall panels in your designs. Michael, are you inspired?
Absolutely. The panels look really beautiful, really, really lovely. I love the way that the light plays across them. Absolutely fantastic. I have got a couple of questions. I've been scribbling down some questions for you. And knowing architects as I do, I think these will be some of the things that they will ask. Look, the panels look beautiful. We've seen a lot of photographs of them being on a flat wall. Can those panels be curved at all?
We get asked that question quite a lot. It's on the wish list, Michael.
Okay.
We've seen it a lot in curved island bench designs and wall designs. So be reassured that this is just the beginning. We're looking at curved designs in the future, and we're just fine tuning the way the profiles are, I suppose they're deep routed and profiled on one side, and looking at the way we can warrant the scribing on the other.
Perfect. And what about Surround by Laminex being suitable for, say, wet areas, bathrooms, laundries, those sort of things?
Yeah, at this stage, this one's for drywall applications only, so not at this stage.
No, that's fine. Look, and what about, let's say, can Surround by Laminex panels be used for applications such as, say, cabinetry?
Yes, it could be, but not these particular panels. I think for that you'd need an 18 mil substrate. So it's just so that the integrity of the panels when they're working on the doors, when they're routed for hinges and that kind of thing. So watch this space, I'd say. Yeah.
Great stuff. Looking forward to that. Now, what about some design suggestions, Megan? I mean, what suggestions would you have to say how to finish panels for corners, say for skirting, for architraves, PowerPoints, those sort of things? What's your advice on that?
Yeah, we do make some recommendations in one of our guides, the A&D guide, but we generally leave this to our installer or joiners or our customers to decide. The guide is continuing to evolve. So as novel solutions arise and we start to see more and more ways in which they're applied, I think we'll keep updating to ensure that we've got the latest and most relevant recommendations.
Great. Thanks, Megan. And my final question is really just related to COVID. I know we're probably sick of talking about it, but we have seen a wide range of architectural suppliers really struggle to get supply. And so therefore architects who are waiting on goods and services just can't actually finish jobs. Any availability issues or supply issues with this product or at Laminex?
Yeah, well, it is a challenging environment navigating the lockdowns, restrictions and the disruptions to supply chains globally. We're fortunate that we make Surround by Laminex products right here in Australia. So, and demand from launch has been really, really strong. So, and we've been scaling up to meet that demand. For instance, we've recently added a 4th shift to our Monkland plant in Gympie. So whilst raw MDF is constrained across the market, we're doing our best to allocate materials and be agile within our distribution networks with finished goods to minimise that disruption to our customers and designers.
That sounds great. Now, your website, just your last question, what's Laminex's best way for architect members to go and have a look at this product?
Laminex.com.au.
Perfect. We love anything that ends in .au. Great to see Australian-made products too as well.
That
is it from the showcase. Thanks so much, Megan, from Laminex Australia. Absolute pleasure. Thanks so much for joining us. So if you're interested in any of these amazing and beautiful products that you've just seen in the last 20 minutes or so, hop on to laminex.com.au and have a good look at some of the most beautiful products that they've got, all Australian made and ready and available for production and supply. That is it for this showcase session. Join me again at another one. I'm Michael Linkier here at the Institute of Architects. Great to have you with me. And thanks again, Megan from Laminex. Great to spend some time with you.
Thank you.
Cheers.